On Global Washing Day 2020, SNV, with funding from the UK government aid, is supporting the government of Mozambique's rural water and sanitation program, called PRONASAR, with messaging on hand washing with soap to prevent the spread of coronavirus at water points. Around 64% of the population of Mozambique collect their water from hand pumps and public tap stands. Every morning, thousands of Mozambicans, particularly women and children, gather at these public water points to collect water for their basic needs, drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. This video is basically one of the communication materials developed for a COVID-19 prevention campaign at water points. It is led by the Ministry of Public Work in coordination with Ministry of Health and the Wash Cluster Group, which SNV is part of. As well as hand washing with soap, it promotes other important hygiene behaviors from the prevention of the spread of coronavirus at the daily gatherings for water points. In addition to the video, other materials, including radio spots and text messages, have been developed to ensure we reach all the target groups with different levels of access to information. The campaign messages were developed using the behavioral-centered design approach, using different behavioral determinants, for example, the affiliation, status, and profitability, depending on the target group. On rural communities, for example, we determined that affiliation is the strongest motivator for the handpump caretakers, as they are part of the community that they are working to protect from the coronavirus. At the other hand, for the larger water supply systems managers, we use profitability as the behavior motivator, as managers of water supply systems are basically entrepreneurs from the private sector, and the message focused on a healthy population without COVID-19 is better for business. So working with the government of Mozambique and the Ministry of Public Works on hygiene behavior change communication for COVID-19 prevention has built the understanding and the skills with the government systems that have been unfamiliar with the approaches to date.